100,000 in business funding. How are they doing it? So Billy from up the block told you that he can get you 100 to 300,000 in business funding if you have an LLC. Is it true? And if so, how the hell is he doing it? Well, the short answer is yes, it can be done, and I'll explain how. But before I get into how you can do it, let me just say this. Just because it can be done does not mean it is the best financial advice out there. If you are truly trying to build your business for your future, I would not suggest taking advantage of every opportunity just because it is available to you. You want to make sure that you pay attention to your finances and don't dig yourself into holes that you cannot get out of. Now let's get into it. What Billy from Up the Block is doing to get you this business funding is something that we call credit stacking. And in order to do the credit stacking, you have to meet one of three elements. So you either have excellent personal credit, or you have an excellent paydex score, which is business credit, or you have a mixture of a little bit of both, meaning that you may have mediocre personal credit, but you have good or excellent business credit. So that combined can also get this approved for you. Now, let me just pause and say this. If you don't meet one of those three elements that I just explained, depending on who you're dealing with to help you obtain this business funding, they will know how to do certain things to get you to a point where you qualify, so that way you can do this business credit stacking, whether it be through Tradelines, a credit sweep, getting things deleted from your credit file, helping you boost your business credit. They'll know how to do it. That's how people work around things. It just depends on who you're dealing with. Now, let's get into what business credit stacking actually is. Okay, so let's say you do meet one of those three elements. Now, you're going to move on to applying for business credit. And this is how you kind of maneuver the system. Let's say creditor A, Capital One business credit card, they only pull from Experian. Now, creditor B, Discover business credit card, only pulls from Equifax. You're going to apply to them at the same exact time. They're not in communication with each other. So you get approved here because you qualify with them, and you get approved here because you qualify with them, and so on and so on. That's called business credit stacking. And now you know what business credit stacking is. And yes, there are several different ways to maneuver several different things. So it just depends on what your ultimate goal is. Like I said, you got to make the determination along the lines of what your goal is. If you want more credit tips, make sure you're following me. And if you would like to know any other services that I offer, make sure you hit that link in my bio.